Midnight shadows crawl, echoes of screams, ghostly whispers unravel my dreams. A haunted night under the moon's gaze, in the dark where my fears blaze. Oh, happy Halloween, all souls sing in the night where the shadows gleam. Darkness reigns in the witching hour. Happy Halloween, fear the God.
In this video, we will create this animated music video on Halloween entirely using AI. And if you stick till the end, I will also share with you a technique in After Effects with which you can upscale your AI generated videos and also enhance the look and feel. So that being said, without any further delay, let's get started with the image generation process with Leonardo AI. Okay, so we are inside Leonardo AI and this is how the home screen looks like. Let's click on image creation. For the image creation, I have selected the preset Leonardo Phoenix, which is their latest model. And here is the prompt area where you have to enter the prompt. Okay, so here is a basic prompt that I have entered, like an Halloween haunted scene setup in cinematic view, a haunted mansion, a menacing figure with glowing eyes, Halloween glowing pumpkin, graveyard, and then there are some visual styles like cinematic and hyper realistic. So I can either directly use this prompt or there is an option in Leonardo AI by clicking on this 3-star icon. Here I can even improve the prompt based on the details that I have entered. Let's improve it. And now we will click on generate. So generating an image cost me like 24 credits. But if you use other image models, it will cost like 12 or around something like that. And if you are using a free account, you will get 150 credits per day. And here are their paid plans. Okay, here is our improved prompt ready. And now we will click on generate. Okay, so here are our generated images. So I like this one, let's download this one. So we need total of around 15 unique images for this animation. So we got one, now there is another one. I like this one as well, let's download this as well. Now what I will do is, let's update the prompt again. Let's add few more details. I have just changed the initial details here, like Halloween haunted scene setup in cinematic view, then just cinematic and hyper realistic. I haven't added any other details. Now I will again improve the prompt and generate. So now these are our generated images. Let's check out this one. Okay, let's download this and this one. Now I will again update the prompt. So let's delete this and enter another prompt which is pretty much similar, like Halloween haunted scene setup in cinematic view, then graveyard, then Halloween pumpkins, candles, then again few visual references like cinematic and hyper realistic. Again let's improve it and let's generate. Okay, so from this generated images, let's pick this one and this one. And now I will again update the prompt. So let's enter a few details again, like the prompt is pretty much similar, just I have added few elements and removed few elements. Again, let's improve the prompt using the AI feature here in Leonardo AI and then again generate. Okay, so here are our generated images and from this one, let's download this one. And also let's check out the rest one. Yeah, this one is also looking good. So let's download this. So there is an unique feature which is associated with this Leonardo Phoenix model, which is you can further edit the images or further add some prompts to make some changes in the images from this particular button. So I will enter a prompt like bring the menacing figure even closer to camera or extreme close to camera. Okay, so I like this one. So let's download this. So right now we have 9 different images. So we still need 6 more images. So let's do one thing. From this particular image section, I would further make some changes by adding some prompt, like make it more interesting. Add zombies, reduce the number of pumpkins, and let's click on generate. Okay, so here are our newly generated images. So let's check it. I like this one, so let's download this. Also this one. Let's download this as well. Okay, so right now we have total 12 images. We still need 3 more images, so let's download few from here. Let's download this and this, also this as well. Okay, now we have all the images we need for our animation. Okay, now let's check out how to generate the music with the AI. So for music generation, we will use Udio AI. So they are currently at beta, and for free you can only generate up to 32 seconds of music. And here is where you have to enter the prompt, or you can click on create and just enter the details of the music here as a prompt. So here I have entered a prompt like a vocal music on haunted theme of Halloween with Happy Halloween in the vocals with deep voice. Then I have also added some theme like dark, electropop, then rock and roll, then deep soul. And if we click on create, it's going to start generating music using this prompt. By the way, here are some few more details for the music, like you can select the model from here. Then if you have lyrics for a particular music, then you can write the lyrics over here. Then and down here we have few more advanced features from which you can even further do some modification on the generated music. So here are few music that are generated. Let's hear it.
In the shadow dance, spirits roll high, whispers in the wind, give 'em quite a fright.
Okay, so the generated music is pretty good. And if you want to download the music, then you can click on this three dot button and then click on download. Here you will get few options like you want to download it in a video format or in MP3 format. Of course, I will choose MP3 and then download. And I have already generated and downloaded another music beforehand, and we will use this one for this particular animation. Okay, so we have the audio and the visuals. Now it's time to do the entire animation, and for that we will use an AI tool called Krea. Okay, so we are inside the home screen of Krea, and if you are using the free account, you can only generate images up to 3 minutes. So to generate a video, you have to hover over your cursor on generate and click on video. And the interface is pretty much similar to what you get in Premiere Pro or After Effects. We have a preview panel and a timeline. And here is also a settings icon. If we click on this, we even get few options like changing the aspect ratio, the motion intensity, or you can add a loop or cancel a loop. So let's get back to the timeline. And here we have to add keyframe. So keyframes are basically images over here. Now let's get back to the folder where we have collected all our images. Now let's drag and drop the very first image and drop it over here. So this image is going to be our first keyframe. And here in the text prompt area, we can even add text prompt by clicking over here, and we can even extend or contract it like this. So here we have to add a prompt. Now we will add the prompt which we have used to generate this image. For that, we have to get back to Leonardo AI. So here in Leonardo AI, this prompt is used to generate these images. So if we click on this add button, we can see the complete prompt and we can copy it from this button. Now we can get back to Krea and simply paste it over here. So we will extend the keyframe up to 2 seconds. So let's move the playhead over here and let's extend it like this. And also let's move the keyframe and place it exactly at the midsection. Alright, now we will add another keyframe over here. Now again get back to our images folder. So here is our images folder. I will drag and drop the third image right now. Now here in the Leonardo AI, we will copy this prompt. So this prompt is used to generate this image. Now let's add a text prompt area over here, simply clicking on the text prompt area. And let's paste the prompt over here. In the similar manner, after 2 seconds, I will also add another keyframe, then add an image, and also add the text prompt. Now let's another image and the text prompt. Now another one and again the text prompt. Okay, one important thing. When you are using a free account of Krea, you can only generate videos of up to 10 seconds. So we need a video of 30 seconds total, but we can create three different videos 10 seconds each. You just have to make sure that the first image of every clip is same so that it maintains a proper loop. And also in settings, you have to turn on this loop video option. Okay, now our first 10 seconds animation is properly set here in the timeline. Now next, we have 3 or 4 different options from which we can select a style, a film, then render, animation and experimental. Right now I will only select render and then click on generate video. So initially it will generate a low quality video. Right now you can see it's telling enhancing. So it is still rendering the video. But before that it will also give you a preview of how the animation will look like in a low quality video. So you have to wait till the process is complete. Okay, now our video is ready. Now from this button we can download it. And now let's delete all these keyframes and also the prompts. So in the similar process, we will generate the next 10 seconds animation. Okay, now our second video clip is also ready. Now let's create the third video clip. Okay, now the third video clip is also ready. So let's download it. Okay, now we will move on to After Effects and merge all these three clips together and also add the music with the video, and then we will upscale it from 720p to 4K, and after that we will also do some enhancement to the overall look and feel of the animation. Okay, here in After Effects, let's start with creating a new composition with frame rate of around 15 fps and the resolution of 4K. Let's press OK. And after that, first we will import the music. Let's zoom into the timeline. And on top of that, we will import all these three video clips and just sequence it. After that, let's select any of the video clip and go to Effects and Presets panel and type in Upscale, and we will apply this effect. After that, you can either click on Fit Comp to Width or Fit to Comp Height. It's going to convert that 720p clip to 4K. Okay, now we will copy this effect from here in the effects control panel and select these two video clips and Ctrl V to paste it. And now these two video clips are also properly upscaled. So now we will select all these three video clips together and pre-comp it together. After that, we will right click on this composition, go to time and enable time remapping. And then we will move this last keyframe at the end of the clip. Okay, now we will apply an effect called Lumetric Color. Now under basic correction, we will decrease the temperature to about -12 to give some cool feeling, to also add the mood that we wanted to capture in this musical video. Now also I would like to decrease the tint. Let's give it -5 to add some greenish tint. Then under creative, let's slightly increase the vibrance as well. Let's give it about 30. And then under curves, we will slightly give an S curve, one above and one below the line, to increase the contrast a little bit. Okay, after this, we will also apply glow effect and slightly increase the threshold to about 75% and also increase the glow radius to 15. So with the glow effect, the brighter pixels of this animation is a bit more amplified. So what we will actually do is just contract this effects. We will just move geometric color below glow. And one final thing, we will add grain, some noise texture. So apply add grain. Then let's change this from preview to final output, and then animation about 0.5 or 0.4. And our final animation is ready. Alright, so that is all for this video. And I'm also thinking of making videos about new AI technologies and also cover AI news in this space, like in animation or video generation space. So do let me know in the comment section if you want to watch videos like that. And I will leave you with that. Until then, goodbye.